The city of Omaha provided the public with an in-depth report of coronavirus updates as the World Health Organization officially declared the virus a pandemic. Reporter Ruta Olsenaida has the key takeaways from the meeting, including the decision that has been made regarding the NCAA tournament coming to Omaha next weekend.
City, county, and health officials gathered at City Hall Wednesday morning to discuss coronavirus plans for each department. Mayor Stothert says while it's important to be cautious and aware that community spreading has not yet started at this time.
But I want to let everyone know we are well prepared. We've got all of these experts working on this right now, and for people to be responsible but not panic about it.
The Douglas County Health Department says that as of Wednesday morning, there are only 4 confirmed cases in the county and that having enough testing kits is not a problem.
We at the Douglas County Health Department, in the course of our investigations, have not had a problem getting individuals tested who needed to be tested.
Effective Wednesday, all Omaha Police Department travel and training is suspended for the time being, but personnel are still required to report to work.
Should it be necessary, each deputy chief has identified personnel that can work from home, not your uniform responders, perhaps detectives and support staff. In the event we need to go that route, as of this time, nobody is allowed to work from home.
Omaha Fire Chief Olson says that their response protocol has not been changed, but they are on the front lines of transferring patients and did have to test one firefighter for the virus.
We did have one firefighter that has been tested for COVID-19 and that test came back negative. Keep in mind that that firefighter was wearing the appropriate level of personal protective equipment, so it did its job in that case.
As for events, the NCAA men's basketball tournament scheduled for next weekend at the CHI Health Center will go on as planned. However, all of the games will be closed to the public. In a statement released Wednesday, NCAA President Mark Emmert said in part, "I have made the decision to conduct our upcoming championship events, including the Division I men's and women's basketball tournaments, with only essential staff and limited family attendance." Wednesday morning, before the NCAA made this decision, Mecca President Roger Dixon spoke about the financial impact of not having people come to the city for the tournament.
The hospitality industry is the 3rd largest industry in the state, so if fans aren't allowed in, they're not going to stay in hotels either, they're not going to visit restaurants. It would be a huge impact.
But one local event could possibly remain unscathed. And as of Wednesday, the annual Omaha St. Patrick's Day Parade is still going on as planned. Reporting in downtown Omaha, Ruta Olsenaida, 3 News Now.
Mayor Gene Stothert commented on the NCAA's announcement this afternoon. Stothert said, as we learn more about the virus and the pace at which it spreads, it may be necessary for others to take similar actions. The city of Omaha looks forward to welcoming the players, coaches, and families of the student athletes who will play in the first round games here in Omaha later.